everybody. I thought I would take this opportunity to put together a very brief overview of the course syllabus. Now, this certainly does not replace the need for you to go and read through the entire syllabus. I know it's long, but it contains a lot of useful information. So the first thing I'd like to point out is that as an adjunct professor, I do not have office hours or even an office on campus. So if you need to get in touch with me, the best way to do so is through email. I also will have office hours regularly occurring on the same day each week. So if email isn't sufficient, that's another alternative that you have to get in touch with me if you have any questions about really anything associated with the course. So the next thing you'll notice is information on how to get started with the textbook website called SmartWork. This is some homework that you're expected to do throughout the semester, and you can expect there to be about one assignment per week. Now I encourage you to try right away to get access to SmartWork. Some students have had difficulty in the past, and if you wait 3 or 4 days into the semester, or even longer, you're going to have trouble. So make sure you get to this as soon as possible and get started with it. So just scrolling down the syllabus, I'll assume that you're able to read through it on your own. But another thing that you'll need to have access to throughout the semester is software called Stellarium. And you'll see the link in your syllabus. It's software that you must download and install on your computer. And there's a couple of assignments that you'll do throughout the semester that will count towards your final grade. Now, as far as turning in the coursework, with the SmartWork, you turn it in through the SmartWork website. However, the Stellarium work must be turned in through Dropbox, which is linked at the top of your browser in eCollege. So what you'll do is you'll click on the Dropbox, and then you will add your work to that, and then submit it for my grading. Now, one caution with this, and that is that I require any work that you turn in to be done all in a single file. So there will be multiple pages to each assignment, but it is not allowable for you to photocopy each one and attach it through Dropbox. You must turn all your work in a single file. So there's information on how to do this in the syllabus, and I would just refer you to that so you can read through it. Now, if I should need to make updates to the syllabus, I will just do so by adding it to the eCollege website. It's likely that I will send out an email if something significantly changes, but it's not likely that anything will change that will require an update to everybody. So you'll find the grading policy on this. It's very basic. You see the weight of the homework assignments and the weight of the stellariums. All exams will be throughout the semester, and they will be taken online as well. So lots of things down here on computer requirements. It will be assumed that you have computer access. So the fact that you're taking a web-based course means that you have access to a computer. So please don't notify me at the end of the semester that you're having difficulties getting logged in and working through the website. So another thing I need to mention is that there is a calendar down at the bottom. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see the course calendar that's broken up into units with dates. This class is not self-directed, self-paced. It goes by a very regular schedule. So make sure that you follow this schedule. Most of the time I'll send out reminders, but that is not always going to be the case. Do not rely on me to send you reminders. The schedule is here for your reference. Please make sure that you put all this information into Outlook or Google Calendar or something to send you reminders. The exams are here on regular schedules as well, so those will be adhered to as closely as possible. If you want to move ahead with your homework, your Stellarium assignments, you're more than welcome to do so, but the due dates here are fixed. I will take late homework, but it will come at a penalty, and that penalty is also called out for you on the website. The last thing I'll mention is that there's no final exam for this course. Exam 3, which is scheduled the last regular week of the semester, will be the final grade taken for the class. All outstanding work at this point, including extra credits, must be submitted to me by the final class period. The last regular class week does not count finals week. So whatever the final class period is for the semester that you're taking the course, all material must be submitted, and that includes any outstanding homeworks, exams, or extra credit. Now the last thing I'd like to point out is if you look on the left-hand side of eCollege, you'll see a number of links with information that you'll use throughout the course. Please make sure if you find any dates that are contradictory to dates mentioned here in the syllabus, please let me know so that I can get them updated immediately. Unfortunately, a lot of the dates are duplicated in many places throughout the eCollege website, and it's very difficult for me to get all of them updated at the beginning of the semester. So, any dates that are in the syllabus will supersede any of the other links, so it's important that you always refer back to the syllabus when you're looking for dates. If you notice a discrepancy, if you'll just email me, I'll make sure that I get all of the links updated real time throughout the semester, and I'll make sure I send out emails letting everybody know what the correct dates are. Chances are pretty good that I've caught everything, but there's always the likelihood that there will be one or two links that are incorrect. Thank you, and I look forward to a very successful semester.